Did she want to say something? She gonna say something, y'all. Okay, as we attempt to set my setup, because I just be chilling. What up, everybody? I want to say tonight was an exceptional evening. I'm thankful and honored that you guys even called me, whatever you need of me, especially Hideo. A real personal story. I met Hideo at 143 The Beat the day I got there. You know, he welcomed me and, you know, showed me the ropes. But one particular story I'd like to, share with you is, I remember before Serato, I was DJing. I had my vinyl with me in the studio booth at The Beat. And I was playing, some break beats. And here comes Hideo, playing like he was, like he wanted to do a little battle or something. So he had his little records there. He pulls his break beats out and started battling me right there. So I'm like, all right, maybe I should just do a little break beat set for Hideo, because I know how much he appreciates the classic, the sound of the beats. And he is a real live DJ that put it down for years. So I look up to him as well. Hideo, I love you, get better. And shout out to everybody that came out tonight and donated. And I tell y'all one more thing. I don't care how many times we do this benefit or concert or fundraiser, I'm going to be here supporting. Every time you need me, I'm going to be here supporting, because I love you today. Get better, boy. So, I don't know, am I set up? Come on, Dave. Shout out to A1 in the building, my old partner, A1. Shout out to DJ Dance. Always working hard, always working hard. And of course, Poetess and K-Sly, and I'm just going to chat y'all up until it's time to do this, And I hear that Hideo's parents are still here. Y'all still partying? Where y'all at? Hideo parents, mom and dad, and brother?
They are the sweetest.
Aren't they?
Yes.
I saw